DIY Scratch Paper Valentines.
Kids love these super fun scratch paper cards. Simply scratch off the paint to reveal what's under it. And since they're so easy to make, we DIY'd them for the kids in our class. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts. To make these scratch paper cards, you will need non-textured heavy-duty cardstock, scissors or a cutting tool, a pen or pencil, white crayons, acrylic paint in a paintbrush, and a little dish soap. We started by deciding how big or small we wanted our cards and cut the cardstock accordingly. Then we folded them in half to make them look like cards. We cut a heart shape out of some leftover cardstock and used it as a stencil to draw heart designs onto our cards. You could do just about anything inside these hearts. You could draw or include cute Valentine messages inside, but we're in love with kawaii faces, so we decided to draw those. Then we took a white crayon and colored the inside of the heart. It might not look like much, but the crayon will create a layer of wax, which will make it easier to scrape off the paint. Then in a small container, we mixed 1 part dish soap and 2 parts acrylic paint. The dish soap also makes it easier to scrape off the paint. Then paint in each and every one of the kawaii hearts. This is what it looks like after 1 layer of paint. We waited for about half an hour before adding a second layer. This is what it looks like after 3 coats of paint. For the 4th and 5th coat, we didn't use any dish soap. We just painted it directly with acrylic paint. After 5 coats, the kawaii face has been completely covered. We decided to attach pencils to the Valentine cards, so we did this using washi tape, because washi tape comes off easier without damaging the paper. Since we had plain washi tape, we used a marker to make some polka dots. To remove the paint, simply use the blunt end of the pencil to scrape it off to reveal the kawaii heart.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!